have all of you back. From here, having a little more experience and a little more probably confidence and belief. More than that, belief. Belief is the key because I'll talk about that. Yesterday I spoke a lot about belief. So probably today also we'll talk about belief, right? By taking a step forward. What happens when you take a step forward in front of the audience? You increase the focus. You gain trust. Written down there earlier, right? So who would like to start? Say aye. Yeah, very good. Yo, give her a huge round of applause.
Two things which I'm very scared of. One is what I'm doing now, speaking. Public speaking. Oh my God, it's a terror for me. It is like, I kind of got to know about that word. It's called glossophobia. Yeah, and it is like a person who's scared to speak. So I was very scared to speak. I remember in my school, even if my science teacher used to ask me questions, I used to never answer because though I knew the answer, I used to hide my face behind the child. So this science teacher, she got to know that I had this problem, and she used to ask me, each class she used to ask me, it's like, if Priyanka going to tell me, and I'm like, I used to fumble and I used to stammer and I used to forget everything, I used to go blank. And then she got to know this and she's like, every class I'm going to ask you this question, I'm going to ask you a question. And I remember, I used to get petrified. I'll be praying, she shouldn't come to school, she should be absent. That's the trauma I had. So that developed and I didn't face it. I was so scared. So now I have reached a stage where I have to face it, because the more I run from it, it's going to get traumatized for me. So that's how I am just, with great courage I'm standing here. So that's what I'm working on. So hopefully one day I'll be more confident than what I am today to give, good speech to a bigger crowd confidently. And that's one fear.
We can always improve, update ourselves and feel yourself as important. Sometimes we feel like, no, see others, where are they, and see yourself, where are you. But you should be happy with what you actually have. So be having content, that contentment in ourselves.
Alright, okay. Fine, anyway, the whole session is about you and everybody who has these challenges. You will definitely overcome that. And when you come back in the evening, I don't want to hear any of these words. Okay. Completely a new set of words, right?
Fine.
And we are not writing a script for you. You are writing there and coming and speaking here. Okay, good.
My mind always an exploring mind, and I want this to change, and I came here to change myself. I really thank you, sir and madam. So this is the chance, and this is just a step. There are more steps to climb. I want my identity, and this is the important lesson I thought from the family. A family is a well-settled family is not enough. But what we want is what we want to achieve. So that's our goal.
Faced a lot of failures in my life. So I think failure always made me stronger every day. So I don't regret of making mistakes or being failed in some situations. I strongly take it as my life inspiration.
You still have the same feeling, like you can't face, you have the stage.
I told I'm facing the fear now. I have to do it now.
Okay.
So yes.
Okay, that's good. Facing the fear is good. Okay. What is the objective?
To reach out to the audience.
Objective is to reach out to the audience, to connect with the audience. Only when you connect will they listen to you. If you don't connect, they will not listen to you, right? So don't focus on yourself. Your focus should be on the message that you want to pass on. That's it. Then you will not have any butterflies, any trouble. You have a purpose. You have a reason. You have come here to give a speech which is accepted by them, applauded by them, appreciated by them. How do you get that? There are two ways that you can go, right? Right side and left side. It depends on which way you go. See, as I said yesterday, your past is not equal to your future. That is done, history. Your present and your today what you do and tomorrow what you do matters. What did they have? They didn't have those arrows and all, but nothing. Brahma Rakshasa, not a monster. She is changing now. Her confidence level is really high now compared to what she was telling earlier. Only thing is that you should stop telling that, I'm scared, I'm nervous. No, because it was very well. Except that Brahma Rakshasa part, everything else was really good.
Okay, let me start with one small story. Once upon a time, there lived a Brahma Rakshasa.
Brahma Rakshasa coming there. Now, there are two things. I talked about content, right? Content is what to say. That is something that you have. You may have content of pages together. And today you go to Google, you get content. Anything you Google, you get content. But that is just a content. Methodology is how we say it. What is important here is methodology. Content, okay, it doesn't matter. But methodology is how do you actually say that content? You as a teacher, you have content. But how do you say it? What is facilitation skills I talked about? The methodology. We will have a demo on that. I think Nalina will do a demo on this.
Make the class really interesting, and this is a typical facilitation skills.
Food. We feel like eating good and then afterwards we come here and we feel sleepy, which is natural.
Whatever you call that, if it is positive, you go in the opposite direction, it becomes negative. Simple as that. This is the general kind of explanation what we offer for years. You have got some value about yourself, and then you will not allow anybody else to disturb that without being abusive.
Hi.
Hi.
Nice watch. Thank you. It's a very good look. Where did you buy it? It's a gift. Oh, so nice. Good. You have very nice designing sense. Thank you.
So I would be, kind of, especially that not pausing, rushing, wanting to rush back to my seat. That is one big thing that I consciously want to get rid of. So is there anything that I can do?
See, when you have a strong purpose, and I always go back to the why and the purpose. Because you do well when you have that reason answered. Because this is how. What you are asking me now, the solution is how. How comes when your why is
Why is
strong.
strong.
If the why is not answered, you will never get into that how. How is an action thing, right? See, nobody is perfect, one, don't worry about that. And getting feedback, why we give feedback? Because with the feedback you improve regularly, and constructive feedback, So that's when I thought, no, this is something really serious, so we need to take it up. And that's when I started then public speaking, and also with the adults, and included this topic here, because it's amazing, everybody needs this. Everyone needs this. I'm telling you that don't worry about flaws. Each of you have potential, a huge potential. You just have to believe in yourself. Whatever big dream is, build on that. Yesterday you learnt about how to go about it, the goal setting process. But get back to the strong reason why. When you have that why answered, the how automatically comes, right?
So I express my thanks and gratitude to Vanuti sir who gave me this platform. So today I am standing boldly and speaking to you is only because of Vanuti.
It's been very overwhelming actually, and when I see my fellow teammates almost in tears, it brings very an emotional feeling to me. It was a wonderful session which started off online, and since yesterday we met, and that closeness, that rapport that we gathered is so unique and so beautiful. Especially my heart is full of love for Nalina ma'am. I would want to meet her almost every day. Such a happy feeling just seeing you and talking to you, ma'am. This is honestly from my heart.
Thank you
So, and sir is the person who has my guru, who has really pushed me, guided me, prodded me. Every time I would go forward, and then again I had the feeling of again coming back. But he was the one. He told me, don't give up. You will be able to do it. You will be able to pursue it. So, sir, thank you so much. It is like an immense thanks. I think nobody has guided me the way that you have done. So I'm very, very grateful to you, and very happy that actually when I joined, I just joined because I had time, it was a pandemic, let me be honest also. So I thought, let me enrich myself by doing this. But then when I got into this and the learning started, the sessions happened, it was like I would wait for it, and that one session I missed halfway because I was in school. Again, school started and I was in the clash. But then I missed that session and I told sir, I missed half of it because I had to go to attend a meeting. So that way I think it has benefited me immensely. And Chandrasekhar sir, you are too good. You have the unique way of reaching out to every child, even in that corner would, I think, come back to you. So your words, your lessons, or the way you have spoken with us, interacted with us, brought us out from our shells has been awesome, sir. So thank you so much. And my fellow teammates, I have just met these girls today and yesterday. And Nitya, a special mention to you. Without you, this PPT was not possible. Thank you so much for sharing. No, I was under a mind block. She gave me that little spark. Sometimes I need a small ignition, That I think that trigger was by Nitya. Thank you, Nitya, so much. You're a friend for life. And Deepa, very sweet. Missing Swati, the energetic bird here. And yes, my mom and my daughter at home, who have been constantly comforting me and telling me, you go ahead, whatever is the hectic schedule here, we will manage. So I would really mention all these people who have actually brought me here today. Thank you all.
I'm so glad that the Sunday I utilized it in an effective way. So I was able to give at least 1 or 2 presentations where I did mention to you all how much I struggled to come up and speak. So today I was happy that I was coming up first, and which I used to never do. Trust me, I used to never do. I'm a person who hide behind people. So that today, I have reached there. I still remember one of the ITTC certification program. I remember Nalina ma'am and Varazamukti calling me up. So just come over and just see. So everyone had come down, and I remember I was just helping Nalina ma'am around the certification or something. And Mr. Murthy kept saying, listen, you just go and say, hello, good evening, everyone, or something like that. And I said, me? You want me to go and say that? So like, yeah, just go and just say, hello all, welcome to, I remember, oh my God. So he said, only this much, only just go say so much. And I remember fumbling, he gave me that mic, and I said like, hello, good evening everyone, and I just came back running. So that was me. So if I'm able to do this, yes, as I told you, I'm fighting with the fear of public speaking or glossophobia, which I loved it. So I'm glad, at least I'm able to tell you so much about my experience. Thank you so much. And it was really glad meeting each one of you all. And I had a great day. Effective Sunday.
And I was just thinking in the morning whether I should go or not for this presentation. When sir told me you should go, it will be an experience for you. But I didn't know that it will be such an interactive session where we have to speak, and it will give me so much of confidence. If I knew this before, I would have thought 10 times, coming here. But it was a nice surprise for me, and I am so confident now to speak. I'm not so nervous. I always have this heartbeat is still pounding, but I can speak. I'm not so nervous. What was I in the morning? Like if he would have called me and said you have to speak and you have to give presentation and all that, then I would have thought so many times. But I thank sir and ma'am for giving me this opportunity to come here and gaining confidence. And sir, you also helped me to understand the children now. I will try to keep a lot of things in mind, whatever you told me.
Don't try, just do it.
Yes, I'll do that.
Like family, I feel now. I feel like tomorrow also one more session. If sir would have made like that, morning I was little confused whether to go or what. The same yesterday I was tensed and could not speak much. So today morning I was confused whether to go. No, let me go and speak something. Let me learn. Yesterday I was telling sir that, no sir, I have stage fear. Now I am totally confident. I can speak anywhere. I admire you, ma'am. And thank you sir once again. Thank you everyone. It's like a family. I feel like it's total family feel.
Like the lights, we could light so much, but then with you, You can light 3 times, 4 times, 5 times.